my gosh, you guys. Look how many people are here for Muppet Vision 3D. Okay, never mind, it's not Muppet Vision, it's the opening of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Welcome everyone to another episode of Laramie on the Loose. You guys, this is crazy. There are approximately 9 million people here. And I'm at the very back of the line because I'm a stupid vlogger. Everybody else I saw, Corey Meets World is live streaming, Braden from Mickey Views is here, Adam the Woo is here, they're all up front. But I'm back here. But we're slowly making our way in, looks like they're letting everyone in. It is about almost 7 o'clock. And yeah, you guys, this is gonna be exciting. I finally get to show you what I experienced 2 weeks ago. And you get to see Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We're gonna run amok, let's do it. I did it, I'm finally in. And you guys, look at this, I'm sorry. But to all you haters of that marquee, I'm just gonna stop here. Look how cool that is to be walking down the street and just see that at the Chinese Theater. You guys are in for such a treat. Wait till you see this ride. But first, I'm gonna try and get a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance, because why not? At the end of the line down here, down the street, where Tower and Rock and Roller Coaster was, it said 180 minutes for standby. So, yes, on big days like this, it would behoove you to get here early, like I didn't. So in my walk to Galaxy's Edge, look what I stumbled across here. They're playing a short where it used to be the Star Wars film. It's Vacation Fun, an original animated short with Mickey and Minnie, featuring a squirrel. Oh, look how cute this is. They got the animated posters here. Mickey chilling on a hammock, because that's what Mickey does. Camping out with friends. That's so cool. All right, I like this. Let's check the other side. Mickey and Minnie in a hot air balloon. There they are, chilling on the beach with Pluto, who's not in the trunk of a car, which will make sense more later. You guys, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Okay, so I was just in the theater there for, I don't know, like 3 minutes. I gave the Mickey and Minnie cartoon like 3 minutes. I hate this style of animation. I said it. You know what it reminds me of? There's a part, so Mickey's wearing a sweater in this short, and it's making him itch, he's all red, and he's like, oh, I'm getting chapped lips and all this stuff, and it zoomed in on his face, and it was just like, it reminded me of Ren and Stimpy. Remember Ren and Stimpy, like, that gross cartoon? They were funny, don't get me wrong, but I never got into it because of the style of animation. And yeah, I left the theater, especially when I saw Goofy with his like beard and anyway, that's just me. I know a lot of you love it. You've told me you love it, but I'm just not a fan of that style of animation. I don't like how they made Mickey and Minnie. It's like fast, it's loud, it's meant to like grab your attention like now, and I get that you have to appeal to that type of audience, but it's not for me. However, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is for me. It's fantastic, as you'll shortly see. This is why I'm here. It is time for my Fast Pass. So first off, as I promised in my review of this, the queue is exactly the same as it was for Great Movie Ride, except for a couple very, very minor differences. For one, like the Ark of the Covenant's no longer here, but we have these awesome posters just like we did outside the short from earlier. So these are the Croissant de Triomphe, Mickey Mouse in Split Decision. The main short we're here to watch is Mickey Mouse in Perfect Picnic with the whole gang, Mickey, Minnie, and you. Let's go ride it. Now this is that new little area I was telling you guys about in the review, that there's a couple switchbacks, you know, you go back and forth right here, and then you wait to go inside the theater. And I think there's two theaters, one right on the other side of this wall and one in there. But it'll probably be like a 7-minute wait from here. This is so cool. I just like being in this building. I certainly liked Great Movie Ride, but I didn't grow up with it since I'm new to Disney World, so I wasn't like super attached to it when it went away. So I've been excited for this ride for a while, and you guys are going to see why. It's because it's worth being excited over. So yeah, I'm okay with the change. I really am. I know some of you are tore up, and I'm sorry, but you'll like it. Look at this. Look at that. Enjoy.
Theater, where we are proud to present the world premiere of Perfect Picnic, starring Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Please enjoy the show.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen.
We'll get away and have a perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, but sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Hey, right this way, everybody. Howdy, folks.
That was so cool. Did you guys see that screen? It exploded.
Howdy, folks.
And here's the queue. A little bit different than Great Movie Ride. Okay, maybe it's a lot different. Doesn't it? To me, this feels kind of like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train meets Thunder Mountain. So this is cool, you guys. I was right here in this line, and this cast member asked how many. I said 1, and she put me in the single rider line. So now I'm right here with only like 5 people. Yeah, it's really cool, right?
Yeah, it's really awesome.
So yeah, so now there's only 3 of us in line. So he's just going to fill us in with the space available, which is fine by me. I don't have to walk all the way down and back. That's pretty cool. So waiting in that single rider line took like 3 seconds, and I'm already here. Bye. Okay, bye.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm
Come back and see me again real soon, okay?
Here we go, back into the world of reality. I don't wanna. Back through the screen. That's it. You guys see what I mean? That ride is like the best ride. It's such a good ride. And it was funny. I was watching as I got off the ride. I'm looking at everybody. Everyone's laughing, they're smiling, they're having a good time, they're in a good mood. Disney's done it, you guys. That's what Disney does. They put people in a good mood, they make them happy, they create happiness. It's like, it's just the best. So ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. You're gonna love it. I promise, even if you hate the animation style like me and the normal cartoon, but you're absolutely gonna have a blast. But that's gonna do it for me, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Twitter at Laramie Williams, at Instagram on Laramie on the Loose, and yeah, be kind to each other. Bye, guys.